बच्चों yesterday we were talking about one of the problems related to the network construction. We have formulated or we have made the network. After network, we have calculated the earlier start time and the earlier finish time. Then later on, we calculated the latest finish time and latest start time. Then we calculate the flow and then we try to find out the critical path. I'm taking the same problem. I'm taking the same problem and this critical path method. With the single time which is associated with it, I'm taking the same problem. And why I'm taking the same problem? Today we are going to discuss the tabular method. Yesterday we talked about the graphical method. Tabular method is another method, and it takes sorry more time as compared to the graphical method. But there are many things which are not clarified in the graphical method, or get clarified, or get more clarified in a tabular method. That is why we are going to learn the tabular method also. This is another one that is known as the graphical method. So even now it is taking more time, but we will transfer the tabular method also, or it will give us a more clarity. Basically, there is a one concept which is known as the flow. What is the flow? Flow means the time or the duration by which an activity can be delayed without affecting the critical part of the network structure or the network model. So again we are taking the same problem. What was the problem? This was a problem. If you recall activity, then duration. You are taking there are 10 activities which you are taking, and duration is given in weeks. And here it is 1 to 2 activity, then 1 to 3, taking the same problem which we were discussing yesterday. 1 to 3, and 2 to 3, then 3 to 5, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 6, and 6 to 7. If you count it, it is then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This duration is given. This duration is given. It is given in the weeks. This means for performing 1 to 2 activity, the time required is 15 weeks. 1 to 3 again 15, 2 to 3, 3 or 3 weeks. This is 5 weeks. This is 8 weeks. This is 12 weeks. For 4 to 5 is 1 week. 4 to 6 it is 14 weeks. 5 to 6 is 3 weeks. 6 to 7 it is 1 week. Let us construct the network which we have already discussed. I am taking the same. I am taking this is 1, this is 2. Okay? Then another thing, here it is 3, here it is 3. Okay? Then 1 to 2, 1 to 3, this is 2 to 3. Clear? 2 to 3. Then 2 to 5. 2 to 5. This is equal 2 to 5. Then 3 to 4, then 3 to 4, then 3 to 6, 3 to 6, then 3 to 6, then 4 to 5, 4 to 5, then 4 to 6, 4 to 6, then 5 to 6, then 6 to 7. Clear? So this is the network, and the duration is 15, 1 to 3. 1 to 2 this is 15, 1 to 3 is also 15. 2 to 3 it is given 3, and 2 to 5 is given 5, Then 3 to 4, it is 8 weeks. Then 3 to 6, it is 12 weeks. Then 4 to 5 is 1 week. Then 4 to 6, this is given is 14 weeks. Then 5 to 6, this is 3 weeks. Then 6 to 7 is 14 weeks. Now, what we discussed yesterday, again we are taking the earlier start time. This is e equal to 0 means similarly we calculated this one, reaching here. There are two methods. E is equal to 15 here. When we reach here 1 to 2 to 3, 15 plus 3, 18. If we don't 1 to 3, this is 15. Whichever is greater, choose that one. This is 18. Okay? Then here with only one mark, this is 26. Here it is 26 plus 1, 27. If we count this one, 15 plus 5 is 20. So we will choose the greater one, this is 27. And here it is 27 plus, this is 18. Rather, here it is 26. If we choose this one, 18 plus 12 is 30. If we choose from reaching 5 to reaching at point 6, there are 3 to 6, 4 to 6, and 5 to 6. If I choose this 3 to 6, it is 13 weeks. If I choose 4 to 6, by using 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 26 plus this is 40. If I count 4 to 5, 5 to 6, this is 30. The bigger one is 40. And here it is e equal to 50. Clear? So, the at the earliest, the 54 weeks are required. If we start with the 21 and use it at 27. So rather, if we start with 0.1 and reach it at 0.7. Now, similarly, this is the latest finish line. This is 54. Start with the 54. Here it is difference of that one. 54 minus 14. This is 40. Here it is. This is another point. This is 26. And if I count this one, this becomes 37 minus this 36. Whichever is less, 36 is less, so we I know 26. And whereas this is the 37. Clear? If we subtract this one. And here is n is equal to 40 minus 12, this is 28. And if I count this one part is 26 minus this is 18. So these values will be transferred. Rather than not the transfer, we have to choose the this one. And here it is n is equal to what is here? Here there is only one path 5 to 2 in the reverse order. Subtract minus this one, 37 minus this one, this is 15. Clear? This is 32. And here it is, if you go by this one, the next one here, there is another method, 18 minus 3. This is the 15. This is 15. Clear? And here it is, n is equal to 0. If I do directly here, this is 15. Here it is 0. So calculate as, take the difference of s is equal to nothing basically n minus 1. Basically, this is 0 here. This is also 0. This is 0. This is 0. Here it is 10. Here it is 0 as equal to 0. Here it is as equal to 0. And the critical part is there are three things which are to be met. At point 1 to 2, the value of s should be 0. And moreover, if we add e plus this 50, this will be equal to 50. So this is 2. Similarly, here it is 0. 1 to 3, if we count the part, is s is 0, s is 0. But this is not critical. Why 0 plus 15 is 50? Whether it is 80. Similarly, again if I do it, 1 to 3 is critical. Why it is 0 here, it is 0 there. And if I add 50 plus 0, it is 80. And we are finished. And similarly, again this is 0 here, here it is 0. But this is not critical. Why? 18 plus 12 is 30. And this is not critical. This is critical. Why? Because here is 0, here is 0, and 18 plus 8 is 26. Correct? And similarly, this is not critical. 2 to 5 is not critical. Why? Here it is 0, here it is 10. This is not critical. And moreover, this is not critical. 4 to 5 is not critical. And this is 4 to 6 is critical. Why is critical? This is 0 here. Here at point node 6, this is also 0. And 526 plus 40, this becomes 40. Similarly, here it is 0, here it is 0. And 40 plus 40 is 50. So the critical path is, yesterday we talked about there are 6 paths. Today we are going to discuss only the critical path. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7. And how much time you have is 54 minutes. Clear? Anybody having any doubt so far? Okay. If you don't have any doubt, let me have some other one here. What I do here, I make use of the tabular method. Again, activity. I mention it here, activity. Then duration, it is given in minutes. It is given in minutes. We will take like 1 to 2. And here it is 1 to 3. Here it is 2 to 3. 2 to 5. Then 3 to 4. Clear? 3 to 6. 4 to 5. 4 to 6. 5 to 6. And 6 to 7. If you look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what is the relation? This is 15 here, this is 15 here, here it is 3, here it is 5, here it is 8, here it is 12, here it is 1, here it is 14, here it is 3, here it is 40. For making, for calculating mean, this is called the forward computation. This is called forward computation. For calculating mean, the method is known as the forward computation method. Clear? And for calculating mean, this method is known as a backward computation method. This method is known as a backward computation method. Now, in tabular method, what we are going to write here we mention the earliest. When you mention the earliest, clear? You mention the earliest. Earliest, here you get the start time and finish time. In earliest, you will get the 2 types of time: earliest start time and earliest finish time. We will calculate first of all. We start with 0. 0 plus, we set our budget to the point 0. Then 0 plus 15 is 50. Okay? Similarly, if you set again at node 1, the value is 0. If you look at that diagram, in the node at node 1, the value is 0. 0 plus 15 is 15. Clear? When we reach as to the value is given, then it is 15. Put it here 15. 15 plus 3, this is 18. Clear? So I add 15 plus 3, 18. Again, the value of 2 is 15. 15 plus 5, this becomes 20. Add the duration, this becomes 20. And here we see, if you look at 3, you are having 2 values. One is 15 and the one is 18. Choose the bigger one. In the earlier start time, we are going to choose the bigger one. 18 plus 8, this is 26. Clear? Similarly, again at 3, earlier start time is 18. Here we are having 15 and 18 two values. We are going to choose the bigger one than earlier start time. 18 plus 12, this is 30. And if you look at 4, only one value is there, that is 26. 26 plus 1, this is 27. Similarly, this is 26. 26 plus 40, this becomes your 40. Clear? At value 5, you are having 2 values. One is 20, another one is 27. Choose the bigger one, 27. 27 plus 3, this is become 30. And here it is value 6. You are having 2 values. One is 40, another one is 30. Choose the bigger one. 40 plus 14, this becomes your 54. This becomes your 54. Now, calculate the finish time. Calculate the finish time. Earlier, this is now the latest. Latest, you are getting again 2 types of time. One the start time, another one the finish time. And this is the value. Look at it. What happened here? Now you are going to write down in a reverse order. You will start from the bottom of the table. This will be write down 54 here. Correct? You will write down 54 at 7. This is the value which is given to us. 54 minus 40. This becomes your 40. Any doubt? At 6 value, we are having value 40. Is it okay so far? 40 minus 3, this becomes your 37. Correct? At value 6, again the value is 40. This is the value 40. 40 minus this becomes your 26. Okay? At value 5, we are value having 37. So put it there 37. 37 minus 1, this becomes your 36. At value 6, what value we have chosen? We have chosen the value 40. This becomes a 40. And 40 minus 12, this becomes your 28. This becomes your 28. Is it okay so far? And at value 4, this is the value which you are getting. Choose the least one. Here, in our latest start and latest finish time, we are going to choose the least one. This is the, here we are getting two values, 36 and 26. We are choosing the 26. 26 minus 8 is 18. The duration has to be subtracted. At value 5, this is the value at 5. The value at 5 is 37. Okay? Value at 5 is 37. This is the value, 37. And 37 minus 5, this becomes your 32. Okay? This is becoming your 32. At value 3, you are having again time. At 18 and 28, you are going to choose the 18. 18 minus 3, this becomes your 15. Clear? Again, we are going to choose the value 18. 18 minus 15. 18 minus 15, this becomes your value 3. At value 2, you are going to choose the least one, 15 and 32. You are going to choose the least one, this becomes 15 minus 15, this becomes your 0. Now calculate the flow. What flow it decides by which we can delay the activities. You can three types of error. Either it will be 0, or it will be positive, or it will be negative. In some of the cases where this finish time is less, means it is not 50, but it is less by maybe 53, 52, 51, whatever. Sometimes we have been given, you have to complete the project by 50 weeks. In that case, this value will be less. Clear? So, if the value is 0 means this is a critical activity. This is the critical, you cannot delay the activity. If the value is positive, that is when the value is 1, means 1 week. You can delay the activity by 1 week. If the value is minus 1, means we are already getting late, means we have to cover up this minus 1, means we have to cover up 1 week in our subsequent activities. So here if you look at here, if you take the difference, finish or start. This 0, 0 or finish, the value will remain same. Here if you 18 minus 15 and 3 minus 0, this becomes 3. Similarly, 15 minus 15 or 18 minus, this is 0. This is 37 or 32 minus this is 17 or 37 minus 20, this is 17. Similarly, this is 18 or 26, this is 0. Similarly, 28 or 40 minus this is 10. 36 and this or 27 minus 27, this is 10. And here it is 26 or 40 minus 40, 0. Similarly, this 37 minus 27 or 40 minus 30. You are getting the same answer 10. Similarly, 40 minus 40 or 54 minus 54. Either subtract latest earliest finish time or latest start time minus earliest time. You will get the same value. And here if you look at it, this is the critical activity. Where you are getting the this is the critical activity. That is 1 to 2. I mentioned it here. What I try to do it here, I write down here. Wherever we are getting the value 0, this is the critical activity. This is 1 to 2. Clear? Then after that, this is the 0. This is the 0. What is here? This becomes 2 to 3. Clear? Then after that, this is another 0. This is another 0. This becomes 3 to 4. Clear? Then after that, this is 0. This is 0. This is 4 to 6. Another thing. Sorry, this is 0 here. This is 0 here. Last one. This is 6 to 7. And if you look at here, whatever the results we are getting with the graphical 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 6 to 7, 6 to 7. Again, this is 54. So you are getting the same result with the graphical and the tabular method. And what is the beauty of this? Means this is 3. What does the 3 indicate? Means you can delay the activity 1 to 3 by 3 weeks. You are having a 3-week margin. Means you can complete this activity or you have a leverage of 3 weeks. Similarly, we are having a leverage of 2 to 5, 17 weeks. 17 weeks. Similarly, this 3 to 6 and 4 to 5. We are having a leverage of 10 weeks. And for 5 to 6, we are having a leverage of 10 weeks. So what are the activities where we are leverage? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 activities where we are having a leverage, starting with the 3 weeks up to the 17 weeks. In 3 cases, we are having 10 weeks leverage. So even if we delay these activities, this 1 to 3, 2 to 5, and 3 to 6, and 4 to 5, and 5 to 6, by the given weeks which is calculated here in the tabular method, which is not being addressed in the graphical method. If you look at here, in graphical method only, here this is the point where we are getting a S is 10, and rest we are not able to get the value tag. So it is not able to, we are not able to identify these activities in the graphical method where we have a crystal clear fit in the tabular method. So that's it from my side. If you have any doubt, you may ask me. Otherwise, thank you very much.